Hi there, this is Ranjit, again a vlog style video regarding the Moto G, and this is regarding the Moto G dual SIM that is sold in India. I actually have already made one FAQ regarding some of the questions, but still I'm getting a lot of questions regarding the Moto G. So here are my answers to some of the questions to the Moto G dual SIM that is sold in India. Now I've been using this Moto G dual SIM for almost 3 days, and the first question that I'm getting a lot is how is the battery life with dual SIMs? Yes, I've put both the SIMs on this Moto G. One is a Airtel SIM, and another is a Aircel, and actually the battery life is very good. Still, even with two SIMs, I expected that the battery life would not be that great, but I'm glad to say that I'm wrong. And even with two SIMs, the battery life hardly reduced. And as with the international version, the battery life on this Moto G dual SIM also is great. With even heavy usage on 3G, it should easily last you over 1 day, and with medium usage, it should last you around 2 days or so. I'll show you the battery life a bit later. Let's move on to the next question. This is one I'm getting a lot. Out of the box, the Moto G that you get in India has Android version 4.3, that is Jelly Bean, and as of now, as of shooting this video, we don't have the Android version 4.4.2, that is KitKat update yet, but don't worry, we will be getting the KitKat update in the next couple of weeks. Do note that it's a dual SIM version that we are having, and this KitKat update for dual SIM versions have started to be released in some other countries, so eventually in the next couple of weeks it will come to India also, so don't worry about that. Now this question I'm getting, some of the people are claiming that OTG support is not there on dual SIM. It's all rubbish garbage from where you got, I don't know. It works, and I'll show you that it works perfectly. USB OTG works perfectly on this dual SIM version also. Now coming to the voice clarity, if you have seen my Moto G review, I've already reviewed this phone, and on the international version that comes with just a single SIM, yes, the voice call quality was not that good, but I'm happy to say that on this dual SIM version it's actually a lot better. I rated the voice quality on the single SIM version as 5.5 out of 10. On this dual SIM version I will rate it around 7.5, so it's good enough, I would say. Also, some people have asked me if we have a LED notification LED on the dual SIM version. Yes, we do have it, and it works perfectly. Again, I have made a separate video regarding how to customize and get the most out of the LED notification, so you can check out that video for more info. Next question that I'm getting is how is the GPS and Bluetooth performance? Great, I have tested it, and even the Bluetooth and GPS works great even on the dual SIM version. Now let me show you the dual SIM functionality on this Moto G. So here is the Moto G. This is the dual SIM version, and this is the single SIM version. Before I show you the dual SIM functionality, let us talk about USB OTG. And here is a USB OTG cable that I have, and I have a pen drive attached. And actually, as it's running in the Android version 4.3, the dual SIM as of now, you can just directly plug in the USB OTG cable, and as you can see, it's glowing. You don't need any special software, and default it won't show you anything, but for example, USB OTG works, and to show you that, I have this MX player, and as you can see, it detected our USB OTG cable, and it shows that we have two videos. These two videos are on this thumb drive, and as you can see, it's glowing, and I'll play one of them. And one more thing that some of you have asked, can it play 1080p videos? This is actually a 1080p video, and as you can see, it's being played from the thumb drive. So USB OTG actually works without any issues. One thing to note is that after you get the 4.42 update, that is KitKat, USB OTG functionality will not work out of the box, but you can make it work by using a third-party app. I have already made a video regarding that, so you can check out that for more info. Now let's talk about the dual SIM functionality. And as you can see, it says that we have two SIMs. It shows here Airtel and Aircel, the one. And we can go to the settings. One thing I did notice is that, and some of you have asked me, it's a dual standby, not a dual active SIM phone. For example, if you're on a call with one SIM, and if another person tries to reach you on the second SIM, you won't get that call. It will say that that number is unavailable. So it's not a dual active, it's a dual standby phone. And from here you can enable or disable whatever SIM you want, and you can also enable mobile data if you want. And here you can select from which SIM you want the mobile data, for example the first SIM or the second SIM. So you have that setting. So these are the settings for the dual SIM. And some of you also asked me if you can just enable 2G connection on this, yes, you can do that. Just go to settings and here go to more, and in the mobile networks you can just click this use 2G network only. That way it will just stick to 2G network and not go on a 3G network. And from here also you can manage the mobile network. For example, Airtel is my first SIM, and that way I can also manage the Airtel, that is the second SIM, like this. So this is regarding the dual SIM functionality. Now regarding the wobble on this phone, on the international version, again do note that I got this pretty early. The power button is a little bit wobbly, means it flexes a bit, but I'm happy to say that that is not that bad on this dual SIM version. So here are some of the differences between the single SIM and the dual SIM version of the Moto G. I've already made a separate dedicated video regarding the review of the Moto G. Apart from this video, I also made a part 1 FAQ that will answer a lot more questions, so you can also check out that. And again, check out the show notes. I have made over around 14 videos on the Moto G covering almost every aspect of the Moto G, so you can check that out. And regarding the availability of this Moto G officially in India, it's officially sold only via Flipkart in India as of now. I'll have the links for Flipkart also in the show notes. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, I'll appreciate if you can click the like button. Thank you. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video.